How would you want to generate money online if you were a teenager? Today's video is targeted exclusively toward our teen viewers since we understand that growing up may be challenging at times, and we felt it's high time to give you some money-making websites and other resources. While this is true for teens, it may also apply to persons who are not necessarily teenagers, such as those who have other commitments or are novices. But these websites are excellent for everyone. At this point, we'll introduce you to 4 websites that will enable you to work and make money without the need of any unique talents or knowledge. We are all aware that finding a job as a youngster or newcomer may be challenging. Some of the tasks will not even need you to interact with other people to complete them. In addition, working from home or in your room, you may easily make over $1,000 each month. We're going to go through this in further depth now. To avoid any confusion, watch the video from beginning to conclusion. Also, be sure that you do not skip any sections, because if you do, there is a good possibility that you will not obtain the outcomes you want. I'll teach you how to use the most efficient and effective platforms available to earn quick money. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Our first website for today is a special one. This website will compensate you for your time teaching others the English language. This website no longer requires the services of experienced English teachers. All you need to know are the fundamentals. Can you believe it? As long as you can talk in English, which we presume you are since you're now viewing today's video, you'll be more than qualified to work on this website. The majority of the people you'll meet here are foreigners who are only looking to improve their English a little bit, which means that most of the work you'll be doing will be trading English language chats with these individuals. And that is all you will earn. You will not even be required to have any record or certification to join this website. Providing you are a native English speaker or multilingual in both English and another language, you are in good shape. Your overall level on this platform will grow as soon as you apply and begin working, which is fantastic news since it will translate into the more earning potential for you. It is pretty simple to do, and there's nothing wrong with giving it a go. As a result, you need to make sure that you check out this website. Furthermore, the registration procedure is exactly as fast and straightforward as the whole teaching process. Join up and begin earning money online. Keep in mind that they only pay out via PayPal. As a result, it is recommended that you have your PayPal account ready before joining this site to ensure that there are no payment issues. Furthermore, you may be paid quickly and without any difficulty. This is a fantastic place because you have the freedom to work whenever and for whatever length you want. You essentially have to complete control over your time. As a result, it's similar to having a job that's always available to you, and when you do need money, it will still be there, ready and waiting for you. Considering that all you have to do is speak to people, $10 an hour is more than plenty for beginners, especially considering they have no experience. We'd love to know where you're from, so please tell us. So do share your thoughts about the channel in the comments section below and tell us what you like about it so far. By the way, the first website is called Cambly. Simply enter the URL cambly.com and you will be able to earn money online. Please proceed to our second website, which is named TryMyUI.com. Type its name in Google and it will open for you. These are for persons who are uncomfortable conversing with others or more reserved in their attitude than others, because this website will pay you to evaluate games, websites, and sometimes even products before they're even released. This will be excellent for you. They'll provide you with a game, a website, or any other type of product to test out. After you've done so, you'll be required to provide your most honest opinion about it so that they can determine what needs to be changed, what should be kept, and what should be altered, and you'll be compensated for your time. You will be paid $10 per view, and you can easily earn at least $50 per hour doing so. So that concludes this website's introduction. As a result, be sure to give it a go. Our third website is now up and is named GoTranscript.com, and we've spoken about this previously, but we wanted to bring it up again in today's video because it's also excellent for timid folks who don't want to chat or engage with others. On GoTranscript, you'll get compensated for converting voice to text. You may earn up to 60 cents every minute of transcribing time on the site. The shortest audio file that the transcript gets, or the shortest audio file you'll be asked to transcribe, is around 5 minutes. and it will be a simple $3 for literally just 5 minutes of transcribing, which is absurd considering the time commitment. For example, if you're able to do at least 10 5-minute transcriptions in a day, you've already earned $30 for your work, and you didn't even have to leave home or get dressed or anything like that. If you want to go the additional mile, you can even conduct more than the 10 transcriptions. That is one of the reasons why this website is so fantastic. It will not need any technical expertise on your part. Just make sure that you can write quickly and are willing to provide your best effort in that tiny amount of time, which is fantastic. So give this website a go. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends, as well as click on the red subscribe button and leave a comment in the section underneath the video. I would love it if you guys enjoyed it and subscribed to the channel, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment in the section below. It's time to go back to work and start earning some money. Our fourth and final website is named Rev.com, and it's based in the United Kingdom. And yeah, we've spoken about this at least a million times before in this conversation. Nevertheless, it's something that we will never be weary of telling you. Making money online via 3 different techniques is possible with only one website. You may earn money through transcription and captioning, and those who are crazy may even take on international subtitle jobs. Currently, you may make $1.25 per minute transcribing with this website, which is a significant increase over the previous GoTranscript rate. But it is for this reason that we are sure that this is an excellent chance for you since it pays much more. However, if you want to do captioning, which is another fundamental method to get money, you will be paid $1.25 per minute and the $1.25 per minute mentioned above. And, as previously said, if you want to go a little crazy and engage in the international subtitle job, you can make anywhere from $3 to $7 every minute, which is just incredible. Then what exactly are you waiting for? We want you to like this video, share it, and immediately go to all 4 websites that we told you about and start earning and generating at least $100 a day while still in student status, as seen in the video. The first website is Cambly.com, which is for English instructors. TryMyUI service is available to everyone who wants to test websites, play games, and provide honest feedback. In addition, GoTranscript is available for people who wish to make money by transcribing. Finally, Rev.com is available for people who want to experience transcribing, captioning, and creating foreign subtitles for videos. So go ahead and try it out right now. We're not going to waste any more time since we understand that you need the funds, which is essentially all that is required. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you got it to the end of this video, know that you'll start earning money right now if you decide to take the next step. Please don't let your emotions get better. Instead, stand up and start doing what I demonstrated in this YouTube video. This marks the conclusion of the video. Thank you very much if you managed to make it to the finish. Thank you so much for taking the time to visit with us. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 2 videos appearing on your screen. I'll see you there. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.